Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this look. Now I have actually made this video for Valentine's Day, but you don't have to wear it only for Valentine's Day. You can wear it whenever you want, and this is easy for Valentine's Day for girls who don't want to wear too much makeup but still want to look nice for their boyfriend. And if after putting so much effort your boyfriend doesn't compliment you, then just punch him on Valentine's Day. That's his Valentine's gift. Punch him. Anyways, so if you want to know how to do this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face and I'm just going to use primer, and this is from Colorbar, and I'm just going to use this around my nose to just minimize the pores. Okay, so next I'm going to use this concealer palette from Kryolan, and I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply it on my eyes, and I'm then going to blend it and then set it with a powder. So next for my transition shade, I'm going to use this color from this palette, and I'm going to use it on my crease and blend it really well. So once I've put everything in my crease, I'm going to take this blush and I am going to place this also in my crease, but a little below than the previous color. So once that's done, I'm going to take this Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow in Cherry Blossom, and I'm going to place this all over my eyelids with my fingers. So once I've applied that all over my lid, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to set that base with this shade. This is from Maybelline's The Blushed Nudes. Next, from that same palette, I'm going to take this darker pink shade and I'm just going to use this on the outer corners to just deepen up the look. Next, I'm going to take a small brush like this and I'm going to use this dark shade, and I'm going to place this really close to my upper lash line. I'm not going to use any kajal because I don't want it to look a little harsh, so I'm just going to use this. Now for my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Soft Tan 228, and I'm just going to put this all over my face with a blender from PAC. Now I went off camera and I did my mascara. So now for my blush, I'm using this Maybelline's blush in the shade Creamy Cinnamon, and I'm just going to use this on the apple of my cheeks. And I didn't bother to conceal this because I don't really mind. And next for highlighter, I'm using this Revlon's Photo Ready Skin Lights Face Illuminator in Bare Light, and I'm just going to use this on all the highest points of my face. To top that off, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter. If you don't want like really highlighted face, you don't have to like use two highlighters, but I like it, so I'm just gonna use it. For doing my lips, I'm going to use this NYX setting spray all over my face. And I'm going to use my blender and just like push everything in. Next for lips, I'm using this Colorbar lip liner in the shade Splendid Pink. I actually have lip balm on. Next for lipstick, I'm using this Colorbar lipstick in the shade Hail. So I felt like that pink was just too bright, so I changed it to this Lakme 9 to 5 lip and cheek color in the shade Blush Velvet.